to this place as we end? Why do you feel so sentimental about it?
Well, probably that comes from my father. My father was a great lover of mountains. All my youth, he spoke about Kashmir and Darjeeling and
what are your memories of being here?
Oh, I'll tell you, when I took my family to Amarnath in 1974, we went on foot and on ponies, and we were in a dark bungalow at night, sleeping after a whole days of trekking, and the poniwalas were sitting outside, having their dal chapati, and they were listening to All India Radio, and at 12 o'clock in those days, All India Radio finished. And I heard the last signal, the music signal. I think we were at almost 4,000 meters. That was the logo, musical logo of All India Radio. And we were all in bed, and I heard this violin being played. And that was my father. My father had recorded this signal in the 30s. It was written by a Czech Jewish immigrant who was the head of classical music at All India Radio. His name was Walter Kaufmann. He was married to Kafka's niece. And he and my father used to make music, and he wrote this little ditty. And I heard this at 4,000 meters, and I woke up my son. I said, look, this is your grandfather playing. And that was the end of that day. So I have a great attachment to...
That's lovely, and I think you've left so many people here. Just like you carry your memories, I think many people will carry many memories from yesterday. Thank you. It has been an absolute pleasure. Zubin Mehta, Ambassador China, for talking to us. Thank you.